Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn 50 simple English sentences that kids can use in real life, about your morning time, about their activities at school, or while talking to friends and family. Now imagine this, your child comes home from school and you ask, "How was your day?" They want to say things like, "I played with my friends," "I studied well," or "I helped my teacher," but sometimes they just don't know how to express it in English. That's exactly what this video is for. These sentences are short, easy to remember, and super useful in everyday situations. Whether your kid is talking about their morning routine, what they did at school, how they feel, or how they spent their evening, these expressions will help them speak clearly and confidently. So get ready, it's going to be fun, simple, and super helpful. Let's get started. Expressions for morning routine. I woke up early. I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I brushed my teeth. I washed my face. I washed my face. I took a shower. I took a shower. I got dressed. I got dressed. I combed my hair. I combed my hair. I had my breakfast. I had my breakfast. I packed my lunch. I packed my lunch. I tied my shoes. I tied my shoes. I went to school. I went to school. Now few expressions for school time. I saw my teacher. I saw my teacher. I sat at my desk. I sat at my desk. I wrote in my notebook. I wrote in my notebook. I raised my hand. I raised my hand. I answered a question. I answered a question. I studied well. I studied well. I played at recess. I played at recess. I shared my toys. I shared my toys. I ate lunch with my friends. I ate lunch with my friends. I came back home. I came back home. Now let's talk about some family and home. I did my homework. I did my homework. I helped my mom. I helped my mom. I talked to my dad. I talked to my dad. I fed the dog. I fed the dog. I cleaned my room. I cleaned my room. I watered the plants. I watered the plants. I watched TV. I watched TV. I played a game. I played a game. I listened to music. I listened to music. I had dinner. I had dinner. Now let's talk about feelings and emotions. I am happy today. I am happy today. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am excited. I am excited. I feel sad. I feel sad. I am scared of the dark. I am scared of the dark. I love my family. I love my family. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I don't like broccoli. I don't like broccoli. I want to play outside. I want to play outside. Now finally few expressions for nighttime. I took a bath. I took a bath. I wore my pajamas. I wore my pajamas. I brushed my teeth again. I brushed my teeth again. I said good night to Mom and Dad. I said good night to Mom and Dad. I read a bedtime story. I read a bedtime story. I turned off the lights. I turned off the lights. I hugged my teddy bear. I hugged my teddy bear. I went to bed. I went to bed. I had a nice dream. I had a nice dream. I slept peacefully. I slept peacefully. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn daily English for kids and adult. Keep learning English language with us.